So this is a girls' day. We're gonna get our nails done. And what are we gonna do? Get our toes and hands?
Yep.
Yep, so we're on our way. We're gonna go to Future Nails to use our gift certificate that I got from Daddy and the kids, right? We made it to Future Nails. Miss Vanessa's getting a pedicure and manicure done. Show us your colors, pumpkin. Wow. And I'm gonna get some of those for our toes. Right? And we shellac on the fingers. And then what are we doing afterwards? Going to Walgreens, right?
What?
Yeah, what a lucky date. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Let's see what colors we have.
So watery.
We're taking a peek at our nails that we got done yesterday. And Miss Vanessa is eating a snack, some ginger ale and bananas, but you can see
It's Hello
has
Kitty.
a little Hello Kitty nail. Ended up getting a similar color pink. Vanessa got her toes done. And the lady was even nice. There was a little smudge on it and she fixed it. Oops.